How to convert Spotify playlist to Apple Music, or how to convert Spotify music to Apple Music. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how we can convert Spotify music or Spotify playlist to Apple Music. Well, the process is simple, so let me guide you through. While you may not be able to do so directly, what you can do is you can head over to your Safari or onto your browser, and you want to head into soundiz.com, as you can see on your screen, soundiz.com. So once you're on soundiz.com, you can tap on start for free here right away. Once you do so, you want to sign in here. First, you want to sign in with Spotify, right? You want to tap on sign in with Spotify, and you want to go ahead and log into your Spotify account. Once you have logged in, you'll get the option to convert your music. So you want to select the convert option. Then you want to first select convert from Spotify. Then you want to select convert to Apple Music, and you want to log into your Apple account as well. And from there, you can go ahead and convert it through this website. Now, I won't be showing you here in detail, but if you do want it in detail, I can make a video for you. But for that, make sure to comment down below as well. So this is how you can convert Spotify playlist to Apple Music. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.